So hey everyone, this is Nabil Khan and welcome back to another video. And in this video we are going to cover the structure of HTML. And in the previous video we had downloaded the VS Code editor and we had installed the live server extension. So if you haven't watched that video, then go and watch it. I will give you the link in the description box. So without wasting any more time, let's start this video. So now let's open our VS Code editor, and in previous video we had created this file. So I will just close this file, and in this video we are going to create a new file. So just right click here and click on new file. So I will name this file as tutorial2.html. So in this file we will need to create our HTML boilerplate. So just write exclamation mark, and you can see VS Code is suggesting us. So just click here and you can see our boilerplate is ready. So at the top of our boilerplate you can see this doc type HTML tag. So this tag basically represents that this document type is of HTML, and after this doc type our HTML text starts, and here our HTML text close. So after HTML tag we can see our head tag, and in our head tag there are some meta tags. For now just forget about these meta tags, I will explain later. Just remember about this title tag. This is our website's title. So I will just change the title of our web page. So I will write as tutorial 2 and I will just save this. So after our head tag, our body tag starts. In our body we will write the whole code of our web page, and in our head tag there will be our title tag and there will be our links tag. So we need to link our CSS and JavaScript file in our head tag. So how we can link these files? So first of all we will create these files. So just right click here and click on new file, and I will create a file of CSS. So just name it as style.css. So after creating this file, just close it. So this .css basically represents that this is our CSS file. This .css is extension of our CSS file. So just close this file and let's create our JavaScript file. So just right click here and click on new file, and I will name this file as script.js. This .js is the extension of our JavaScript file. So just close this file, and we need to link these two files in our head tag. So after title tag I will just write link, and you can see the VS Code is suggesting. So just click on link CSS and you can see our link tag is ready. So this rel style sheet basically represents that this is our style sheet, and this href style.css is our path of our CSS file. You can see style.css is the name of our file. So we had linked our CSS file with HTML file. Now we need to link our JavaScript file. So how we can link? So after this link I will write script, and in this script tag I will write src. So this src basically means that source, the source of our JavaScript file. So I will name this file. So I will write script.js. As you can see VS Code is suggesting me script.js. So this is how you can link your JavaScript file, and this is how you can link your CSS file. So we had linked both the files, and in our body tag we will write the whole code of our web page. So these are some basic tags. I had explained you about the head tag, the body tag, the link tag, and the title tag. So that's all about this video, and hope you like the video. And if you like the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.